Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the mini PC. This prevents short circuits and data loss. Once unplugged, flip it over and remove visible screws with a T5 or T6 driver. Make sure to ground yourself by touching the chassis or using an anti-static strap because SSDs and boards are sensitive to static. Keep screws in a labeled tray so you know where each returns. Now separate the lid or bottom panel using a plastic pry tool if clips hold it, moving cautiously to avoid snapping plastic. You now find the drive by identifying whether it's an M2 NVMe stick or a 2.5 SATA drive. This determines the removal method. Once located, remove any shielding or cable brackets that sit above the drive. These are usually held by small screws. If the SSD is M2, unscrew the standoff screw that secures the module and gently lift it at a shallow angle. If it's a 2.5 drive, disconnect the SATA power/data cables and slide the drive out of its bracket. Keep track of every screw. You finish by carefully extracting the SSD. For M2, remove the mounting screw and tilt the module up, then pull it straight out. For 2.5, unclip or slide the drive from its tray after detaching cables. Once removed, place the SSD in an anti-static bag and label it with the date and device for inventory. Reassemble the case in reverse order, verifying connectors are seated. If the system fails to boot after reassembly, make sure cables are reseated and the motherboard standoffs or screws are not shorting any traces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.